Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to change picture shape in MS Word. For this, we need to click on the insert, click on the picture and select the picture from your computer. I'll be having this picture. Let me resize it. Click on this layout option and select the square. You can move it anywhere. And now click on the image. This will activate the picture format tab at the very top of your screen. And then click on the picture format and click on the crop button and click on the crop to shape. And you will see that sub-menu showing different geometric shape callouts, banners and slides. Click on the preferred shape. For example, I'll be selecting this tentacle shape. Word will instantly crop the image to fit that shape. If you want to change it, then again go to the crop and click on the crop to shape and change it to whatever the shape you like it, like this one. So if your image turn out slightly stretched or oval shape, click the image and go to the format shape and click on the crop and click on the crop. And now you can adjust your shape like this one. So this way you can change picture shape in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.